Okay, as you can see here, we're slowly getting the body formed out here, and we're just going to sort of cut a few more pieces. Now, what I want to do here is I'm going to take this vest and I'm going to come over the back side of the arm here and join it, in other words, where the vest kind of comes up over the arms right here and joins in the back, as we might say. Let me show you how I'm doing that. I just come over the arm here, and I come down. Now I take this away from, see how the vest, it makes it look like the vest comes over the arm, like that. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to come around, come to the back, and come from the inside of the arm itself. There we go. There we are. And then I'm going to come down here, and this is where the vest, and this is, I'm going to make where the head is going to be, right in here, in other words. See that? Drawing that right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife, I'm going to cut that out. Sort of follow that around with a knife. Be careful now. Just be, don't get in a hurry, because this is close to the fingers, as we say. And I'm going to come around like that. And I'm going to remove that wood in there. And that is where our head, our neck is going to be of the hobo. See what I'm doing? I'm just sort of cleaning that out in there. Now, a lot of people, when they go to do a carving with a head, they drill out the hole for the head before they even start working on the carving. In other words, they'll drill a little hole in here. And I'll get my Dremel tool in a minute, and we'll drill a little hole where the neck's supposed to go. But I don't do that. I don't. That doesn't mean you can't do it. It doesn't mean it's not the right way. It's just the way that I do it. Get this arm kind of shaped up a little bit right here. Okay, now you have to understand that and I'll take a pencil and use it. I'm going to take a drill and I'm going to drill down that arm or hand like that, in other words, so that the little pole that he's carrying fits up along his elbow there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and establish the hand, okay? In which I come here, and I draw a line across here, and that's going to establish where my hand is for the figure. I simply cut down through there and remove the inside of that wood right there. And that's going to be our hand, in other words. See that? See that like that? Just cut away from the insides of it. And that's going to be where our hand is, in other words. See? And it'll be carrying the pole and everything like that. Or the little rod with his clothes on it. Alright, I'm going to clean it up a little bit in here as we go. Now, you can take your knife and you can continue to dig with that, or you can get you a gouge and you can do that. Now, we're going to take from, and I'm going to draw down here all the way, and this is going to be our separation of the little vest right here. Just going to do that. And with the edge of our pencil, I'm just going to come up here to form that overlap of that side right there. See what I'm doing? See that? Where that overlaps right in there to signify the vest. Okay? Now you see, now we're really starting to get the figure shaped out. Come back here and kind of see how that's going to be where his head's going to fit in right in there. Okay. Now I'm going to give him some creases in his, and we're going to get into doing the head here just a second. We'll give him a few creases in there on his pants. I'll probably give him a patch somewhere. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to set him aside, or set the body aside, and we're going to move to the head. Now, remember that what we're getting into is the fact that you're going to be carving the head, but you're going to be carving a smaller head. So be very, very careful whenever you start this. Make sure that you wear your carving glove. Make sure that you maybe even wear a little thumb guard or whatever, because you're going to be getting a lot closer to your fingers than you normally do. Now what I usually do is I start off with the neck. I start taking the wood around the neck because that will be my centerpiece.